Welcome back guys to another video. Today we'll be doing fish tea soup, Jamaican fish tea soup. I already prepped for you guys. I have some corn right here, my pepper, my garlic, pumpkin, carrot, sweet potato, real Jamaican yellow yam, scallion and thyme, dasheen, cock soup, pimento seed, and some season. Guys, put in some coconut powder in there. A lot of people don't know so you can put coconut powder in fish tea. Give it a nice juicy taste. I will be giving away a phone card again. I'm hoping to get this one. Alright, these digits of the phone card go 30684. That means you have to keep tune if you get the rest of phone card and stuff. But anyway, let's cook. Alright, we're gonna put in some garlic in the pot. Some pumpkin. Wow. Some carrot. And some corn. And we make it stay there and cook for at least 20 minutes. The fish is right here. Using Jamaican sprat. When it finishes, we're gonna use a double strainer to strain it properly. And when we strain it and get all of that nice flavor, we transfer it into this pot right over here. Smell good already. We're gonna give the fish the next 5 minutes. The fish tea finish boil. We're gonna do the straining. When I use this metal strainer, when we finish use this one, we're gonna strain it again to make sure everything come out. Like this. Then you get your spoon. And you squeeze it out. Just like that. And then you can dispose. Alright guys, the fish tea is there. I strained it already. I make sure I strain it 4 times to make sure. Alright, here's the pot. Like all the Rasta them man said, yeah, Rastafari for them kind of soup this, you know. But I'll be adding in the fish water now. Wow. Ooh. Look like I have too much, but anyway, we're gonna make it stay there. And I'm gonna prepare some yam, the dasheen, the cocoa, and then put them in the pot. Now we're gonna add in our yam, dry pizza, yellow yam, you know. Me, I love to go to the market to buy my market stuff because I want to see what I'm getting. Because sometimes you send people to market And so them they know the good stuff, then bring back some wishy-washy things like our old people that say. I'm gonna add in some dashi now. Gonna add in some sweet potato. Alright guys, I think I clicked the wrong button. I seasoned the pot. I think it was videoing. I add in my pepper, my scallion and thyme. See there? Pimento seed, Maggi, soup it up, and some cock soup. Smells so good. You want a corn, guys? And you must wondering where me get cooking from. My dad is a great chef. My mom also. My mother love boiled soup. She then call her soupy because she boil soup and sell. Alright, we're gonna make it stay there for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're gonna give away the rest of the numbers of the phone card. Go 0869 0869. Checking on the pot. The corn look very juicy. Alright. Just want a little touch of salt. Yeah. We make it finish cook now. I never put no dumpling in there. But I end up put dumpling in there. Smell good, you see? Every time I go outside on the veranda, just smell up the whole outer road. But a lot of people them doing fish tea soup, them don't use pumpkin, none at all, right? But I love to see coloring. I love to see when I'm preparing food, I see coloring. That's why I use pumpkin to make my soup have color. Me I like see the look of plain white thing like a water me I drink. You see me? And then call it a manish water. No, me have color in water. You see me? But yes, it finished so far, and see if it's still. Yes, it's right. You don't need no salt, you don't need nothing. Alright guys, this is the finishing touch. Real Jamaican fish tea. You know me I taste it, right? Tastes just right. It's not hard to do. Don't say not for yourself, say yo, it's hard to do and whatever. It's not hard to do. Nothing impossible. Just have a mind to say, yo, yeah, do some fish tea in the morning, yeah, in the day, yeah, whatever day you choose. You see me? And mash it up and do your thing. But anyway, guys, remember, me say me have phone card, the last set of number this. The last set of number is 784 4 again. That is 7844. Hope you get this number. Please comment if you get it. Anyway, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell your family, tell your sister, your brother, your cousin, everybody who you know. Comment, tell me what you think about it and what next you want me to try out. Just be safe during this pandemic. I'm out.
Where will we go when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road?